everybody, Mr. Dirty Fender. Another Mr. Dirty Fender how-to, a quick one, all right? We wanna make sure that we don't drag this one out like we did the last one. And also I don't have my little sister here to help me film, which is a bummer because we have a lot of laughs and stuff like that, but she'll be back. I am looking over at myself instead over here at you. So that's corrected immediately. That's one of the tips my sister gave me. And some of you guys might be wondering what all that noise is in the background. Just so you know, Hudson, it's on a trampoline playing with monster trucks, having a grand old time. Hi, Huds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the clutch lever. I ended up dropping my bike here in the garage, just dumped it on the ground, trying to use one hand like a superhero, put it up on this tall stand that I got, and ended up dropping it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace that real quick, and if you're at the track or something like that and you have no idea how to do it, here's a quick video on how to replace that. Yeah, so let's get after it. All right, so first step to this project is to peel back the boot here. Loosen, there's a nut on the back here, and then this bolt right here, so we'll have to loosen those up. So this top one right here, this is an 8mm bolt, and then there's also a 10mm nut on the back. I'm a big fan of T-handle wrenches, especially on dirt bikes, so. All right, now that that nut and bolt are out, this thing, you kind of see it just kind of sits there, right? So now basically with this boot back, flip it over and you kind of see the groove that this thing sits in. It has a little ball on the end there. If you get it in the right where the actual cable is meeting this connector or whatever it's called, then basically should be able to just pull straight down. And there, your old broken lever is off. Now some of you are gonna say, Sean, that's not brand new. Yeah, okay, well, you know what? We're on a budget here. We don't always have brand new, but I always keep some of these spares. Whenever I buy a new, clutch lever or something, I always take a spare. If somebody has a similar bike, I'll take a spare so that I have that at the track ready to go. I don't want to be at the track and then all of a sudden find out that I don't have a part that I need. All right, so now kind of the reverse here. Guys, this is just a preference, but sometimes I put a little bit of grease right here. It's kind of what's just sitting in the bike. It might move, might not, but you like to have that moving pretty freely. You don't want a stiff clutch or anything like that. So before you put that bolt in, just throw a little bit of grease on there. All right, now, so this one goes in first, and then actually threads in. Put your boot back on. And it kind of hooks here at the end, so you just kind of shove those in the hooks there. And bada bing, bada boom. You got yourself a full clutch handle with the little knob on the end there, so your fingers don't slide off when you high side into a berm. All right, guys, thanks for watching another Mr. Dirty Fender how-to. Not much to say. We did a great job today, guys. It was real quick. Real easy. So see you next time. Check you later.
Like this video.